So welcome to FX channel. So in our last video we created this yield, 3 EMA yield. You can go back and watch it later if you have not watched it. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a break-even yield. So let's get started. This is our break-even block. So how do we connect this break-even block? We have so many options. So you can come to this place and pick if position block, if position this, if position. And I suggest you use this block if you want to create use break-even for either buy separately or sell position separately. You use this block. But if not so, it is not necessary to use it. There is another option here. You come to more and then you pick this block. You can also connect it to this one as well. Pass, and then your break-even will work effectively. Or there is another option, you can equally connect it to this block here like this, and it will also work for you. So you have so many options here to use. So let's enter our break-even block. So we are using fixed value. There are so many options there, but we use fixed value. So pips and profit. So this is how it works. So we are going to use 30, but let's come to constant input so that we make things more easier for ourselves. So we add something here. Let's say pips on profit, and then we say 30, and then pips offset. Let's use 10, and then we update it. So we come to pips on profit, and then we use 30. So when price goes 30 pips in profit, the break-even will be activated. So the next thing is break-even pips offset. So there are two things here. None, pips offset. What does this none mean? It means that when break-even is activated, the stop loss will move to the entry point, just like this. This is where the trade was executed. You can see it here, a buy trade. So the trade was executed here, where the arrow is showing, and this is the TP. So when price went 80 pips in profit, the break-even was activated, and the SL stop loss moved to this entry point. That is when you use none. But if you use pips offset, for example, you type in a figure here like, okay, let's say 10. You use pips offset. That means when price goes 30 pips in profit, 10 pips profit will be locked. So you can see trace execution took place here, and price went 30 pips in profit and break even was activated. You can see pips offset. 10 pips profit is now locked here. Here's the TP, here's the SL. Here is the execution point, the entry point. You can see it here also for sell position. Here is the entry point. Here is SL. 10 pips profit is being locked. So this is how pips offset work. So right now we are going to click it and let it, that is 10 pips offset, and then we update it. So let's download this here. Let's add BE here. Let's break even. 3 EMA break even here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to download the EA, just check the link in the description. Thank you. See you in our next video.